Hey, I'm going to show you the fabric that we use in our Key Leaves Barinana berry saxophone swabs. This is a dry wicking, fast wicking fabric that has a ripstop crosshatch so that if it does get a small tear, it does not want to tear out easily. It's very tear resistant. And some people want to know how it absorbs water. If you look close, you can see this is actually a microfiber weave, and then this is the cross stitch to stop tearing. So I've got some grapefruit juice, or sorry, blueberry juice. I'm going to pour some here. And that's a lot, but you get the idea. And I'll just take this. There we go. You can see that it soaks in very quick. I just laid it on for a second. If I was rubbing this through an instrument, you can see that it definitely moves it and takes it out. So it's a really rugged fabric and super absorbent, and you can see it's really locked into that fabric and sucked in. And when we make the Barinana swab, we actually fold it in on itself several times. So inside of a Barinana swab, you get several layers of this fabric to absorb the moisture. And then this ripstop texture on the outside helps dislodge anything that might be stuck to the side walls of the inner saxophone tube. So that tells you a little bit about the fabric and what it does, and hope that answers some questions about its absorptive power. Really your Barry saxophone water key should drain most of the water, and this is to keep stuff from building up on the inside of your Barry saxophone. Thanks a lot. Check it out at keyleaves.com.